Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing a new series called Cheap Eats. So we're getting food for under £10 and seeing if it's worthwhile. Today we are in Wichelstowe and we're going to try the fish bar to get the £8 fish and chips to let you guys know if it's worthwhile. Don't forget to comment below if there's somewhere you want us to go. But for now, let's see Wagwan and check it out. Let's have a quick look at the menu. So what have we got on here? So you've got all your sort of classics, large cod, hake and chips. So large cod is £10.50, large chips £4.95. Right, let's go order. Can I order the £8 fish and chips, please? Thank you. So we've got the food here, so let's give it a try. Nice day for fish and chips. So we've got curry sauce. And then comes in a nice little box. Let's do the big reveal. There we go, nice crunchy, look at that, really nice crunchy. Got the chips. Let's open up the curry sauce. I'll just put those little forks as well. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Right, taste. So let's do a chip first. Nice. Yeah, cooked on the outside, nice and fluffy on the inside. And then let's do a bit of the fish. Let's move that out of the way. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's really hot. Ooh. Burning my fingers. Dip it in the curry sauce. Yeah, it's really nice. The curry sauce is really nice as well. It's a thumbs up. Just about the right amount of chips because you don't want to have so many that you're going to feel like you can't move. The fish is a really good size. I think you could definitely share this. But if you're able to eat it on your own, I think this is absolutely perfect. And for the amount we paid, £8, and it comes with a curry sauce, that's a really, really good price. So if I was going to give it out of 10, 10 being the best, let's have one more bite of the fish. Oh, hang on. Very messy. Yeah, I'll give this a solid 9 out of 10. So if you guys want to check this place out and try the fish and chips for £8 with the curry sauce, then get yourself down to Wichelstowe Fish Bar. Hi guys, so we are at the Cross Keys in Royal Wootton Bassett and we are still doing the cheap eats, having a look to see if we can find some great food for under £10. So let's see Wagwan. So I went for the club wrap. You can get it in a BAP as well. And this is the lunchtime menu, Monday to Friday for £7. Rammed with chicken, got your sauce, bacon. Yeah, chicken tastes nice and fresh. And then you've got homemade coleslaw and salad as well. Let's try a bit of the coleslaw. Try a little bit of the salad. So I've got a little bit of honey mustard as well, which I love on the salad. Get a bit of cucumber. Yeah, it's really nice. So for everything you're getting for £7, I think that's a real bargain. Everything's fresh, definitely fill you up. I will give this one, so remember 10 being the best, another 9 out of 10. Absolutely perfect.